Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you a really fun card I made with the Harvest Hellos bundle. This is a really versatile bundle that is good for all kinds of projects, not just for Halloween. Just look at the terrific collection of sentiments here. You make me smile, welcome back, to an A+ teacher, feel better soon, give thanks, and my favorite, hey there pumpkin. You can also use the same stamps and the punch that goes with it to create apples instead of pumpkins. Isn't that fun? So I'm going to be making this card with some non-traditional Halloween colors, including Pretty Peacock, which is one of the 2019 in colors, Soft Suede, and Grapefruit Grove. So the measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, white cardstock of 4 by 5.25 inches, and designer series paper cut to 2.5 by 5.25 inches. And then you'll also need some scrap pieces of colored cardstock to create the pumpkins. So the first step is to stamp the pumpkins on the colored cardstock with Versamark, because I'm actually going to use copper embossing powder to create that shine. So I'll be using Versamark and then the copper embossing powder. Like I mentioned in last week's video, try not to move your heat tool around too much while you are using it. Just keep it in one spot until the embossing powder starts to change color and melt, and then move on to the next. Now I'm going to punch out my pumpkins, and I'm also going to punch out a stem for each of them. I'm going to use one of the smallest shapes from the Stitched Nested Labels dies to cut out a piece of this copper foil. And finally, I'm going to stamp my sentiment in Pretty Peacock ink on white cardstock. Now I'm ready to put the whole card together. Oh, I see I cut this the wrong size. It's supposed to be the next size up. So I'm gonna run back to the Big Shot and try that again. There we go, that's better. So you can see how quick and easy it is to make this fun and effective card. Stampin' Up! Bundles make it so easy to do. And remember, you always save 10% when you buy the coordinating bundle products together instead of separate. Now here are some other projects that I've made with that same bundle. This one's got a little bit more traditional Halloween colors. I love how the jack-o'-lantern face looks. And this is one that my daughter Gwen made. Cool 3D project. Now, if you're excited about the holiday catalog and Christmas crafting, why not register for my Christmas card making mega class? You'll get to make 12 cards, 2 each of 6 designs, using a wide range of products from the holiday catalog. It's happening on Saturday, November 16th here in Nanaimo, and you can register at inkyfingers.ca. There's an early bird discount, but it ends on October 20th, so don't wait. Thank you so much for watching today, everybody. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a line and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you want to learn about, just let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the current workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye.